Imagine a colossal tank, its once gleaming surface now masked by layers of grime. Dust and debris cling stubbornly, obscuring the true form beneath. Years of neglect have taken their toll, leaving behind a grimy testament to the power of time and the elements. This is the unfortunate reality of many tanks left unattended, their potential for greatness overshadowed by a thick veil of dirt. The sight of such a tank can be disheartening, a stark reminder of the importance of regular maintenance. But beneath the grime, hope remains. With a little elbow grease and the right approach, even the grimiest of giants can be restored to their former glory. Join us as we embark on a journey to transform this neglected behemoth into a shining example of cleanliness and efficiency. This is not just a cleaning mission, it's a rescue operation, a chance to breathe new life into a forgotten giant. Stay tuned as we delve into the intricacies of tank cleaning, revealing the secrets to conquering even the most stubborn grime and restoring these essential structures to their rightful place as beacons of industrial strength and efficiency. Why bother with the arduous task of cleaning a massive tank? The answer is simple. Cleanliness is not just about aesthetics, it's about performance, longevity, and safety. A clean tank operates at peak efficiency, ensuring smooth flow, accurate measurements, and optimal storage conditions. Grime buildup can hinder these processes, leading to costly downtime and reduced productivity. Moreover, neglect can take a toll on the tank itself. Corrosion, rust, and material degradation are often accelerated by the presence of dirt, moisture, and other contaminants. Regular cleaning helps prevent these issues, extending the lifespan of your tank and saving you from expensive repairs or replacements down the line. Furthermore, a clean tank is a safe tank. Accumulated grime can harbor bacteria, mold, and other harmful microorganisms, posing risks to both the environment and human health. By investing in regular tank cleaning, you are investing in the long-term well-being of your assets and the safety of your operations. It's a small price to pay for the peace of mind and operational efficiency that comes with a clean and well-maintained tank. In the following sections, we'll explore the challenges and rewards of this essential task, providing you with the knowledge and tools to tackle your own tank cleaning projects with confidence. Cleaning a massive tank is no walk in the park. It presents unique challenges that demand careful planning, specialized equipment, and a healthy dose of determination. The sheer size of these structures is often the first hurdle. Reaching every nook and cranny requires ladders, scaffolding, or even specialized access equipment, making the task physically demanding and potentially hazardous. Then there's the grime itself. Years of accumulated dirt, grease, oil, and other industrial residues can cling with surprising tenacity. These stubborn deposits often require more than just soap and water, calling for industrial-strength cleaners, pressure washers, and specialized cleaning agents to break down and remove effectively. Safety is another major concern. Working at heights, handling powerful cleaning equipment, and dealing with potentially hazardous materials all require strict adherence to safety protocols. Proper training, personal protective equipment, PPE, and a thorough understanding of the risks involved are paramount to ensuring a safe and successful cleaning operation. Despite these challenges, the rewards of a clean tank far outweigh the effort. In the following sections, we'll guide you through a step-by-step cleaning process, providing practical tips and techniques to help you overcome the hurdles and achieve a sparkling clean tank. Before embarking on your tank cleaning mission, it's crucial to assemble the right tools and equipment for the job. This is not the time for household cleaning supplies. Industrial strength solutions are necessary to tackle the heavy-duty grime you're likely to encounter. Start by assessing the tank's condition and the type of contaminants present. This will help you choose the most effective cleaning agents, whether it's degreasers, detergents, acid-based cleaners, or specialized solvents. Next, gather your equipment. A pressure washer is essential for removing stubborn dirt and grime, while scrub brushes, brooms, and mops will help you reach every nook and cranny. Safety should be your top priority, so invest in high-quality PPE, including gloves, goggles, respirators, and protective clothing. Don't forget about access equipment. Depending on the tank's size and location, you might need ladders, scaffolding, or even a boom lift to reach the upper section safely. Finally, ensure you have a plan for waste disposal. Cleaning a tank can generate a significant amount of wastewater and sludge, which must be handled and disposed of responsibly according to local regulations. By taking the time to properly equip yourself and plan your attack, you'll be well prepared to tackle even the grimiest of tanks and achieve a sparkling clean finish. With your cleaning arsenal assembled and safety gear in place, it's time to launch your cleaning campaign. The first step is to empty and isolate the tank, ensuring no fluids or materials remain inside. This may involve draining, pumping, or manually removing contents, followed by thorough ventilation to eliminate any hazardous fumes. Once the tank is empty and safe to enter, begin by removing loose debris and surface dirt. A broom, shovel, or industrial vacuum cleaner can be used for this initial cleanup. Next, pre-treat heavily soiled areas with your chosen cleaning agent, allowing it to dwell for the recommended time to loosen stubborn grime. Now it's time to unleash the power of your pressure washer. Starting from the top and working your way down, use a wide spray pattern to blast away dirt and grime. Pay close attention to corners, crevices, and areas with heavy buildup, adjusting the pressure and nozzle type as needed. For particularly stubborn stains or deposits, manual scrubbing with brushes and cleaning agents might be necessary. Remember to work systematically, section by section, to ensure you cover every inch of the tank's interior. With the interior thoroughly cleaned, it's time to move on to the exterior.